Hello viewers, so we are starting task DB3 part B. In previous we have done some mistake in query, creating this query. Canon wants a list of female competitors who were born between ages of 16 and 21. So age 1989 and we wrote 85, not 85. So that was the mistake, so we will correct this. These fields are required to display. Okay, so we will open the database. It is already open. Check, see, this is a competitor. Okay, and this is a column table. So now we will go to create query design. You can move it up and add tables. So these are the tables. Make sure all fields are visible. Okay, now add which field we will add? This one. L name, F name, date of birth. L name, F name, date of birth. Then club name, club head and club tail. Club name, club head, club tail and phone number. Okay, so date of birth is here. So we did mistake here. So we wrote greater than equal to, we'll check the date. See, 31st December 1989 and before 2nd January 1995. So this is highest, this is lowest. Okay, and see the format also. As I always say, check the format, date format, month first, days second. So we will use this. Okay, go here. So go in the query, greater than equal to, before January mean 1st January 1995. Okay, sorry, that one. December 31st 1989, greater than and less than equal before 2nd January, so 1st January 1995. So we did mistake here, we typed 85. It is not 85, it is 95. Okay, so hit enter key and yes, see, so this is the exact date. Okay, now go to design and run. This is the actual result. Okay, so save this query as a task db3b. Click here, all objects, task db3 is here. Okay, so previous result was wrong by mistake because of the date. So task db3. Now this we have done, task db3, save it as a task db3, don't print this as stage, save the query search as a db3, task db3. Okay, so print at this stage. What you will do, you will paste the result in the previous, this with the relationship, and you can paste it, print it. Now task db4. Canon wants a database report based on the results of the query search carried out in task db3. So we have this result. So now we want this result in our report. You know what is a report? A printed statement. When you want to print the query results, that is known as the report. Create a database report to display these results. In the database report, add a suitable title. Show only the field name, F name, L name, club name in this order. Okay, Do not group records. Sort the results in ascending order of the L name within ascending order of column name. Okay, and then enter task DB4 and your name, candidate number and center number in the footer of the report. Check that the layout and content of the database report is fit for the purpose. Make sure the database report fits onto one sheet of A4. Okay, so we'll go to create and report wizard. So now we will select task DB3 because we are asked to use the query DB3. Okay, now select all fields. Not all, they said show only these fields: F name, L name, column name in this order. Bus. Okay, so F name, L name, F name, L name, column name in this order. Double click. These three fields are required. So how do you want to view? Yes, we want to view like this in a row. So like this, you want like this? No, we want like this in a row. Next, do you want any grouping? For example, we in some paper grouping is there. If you want grouping, for example, column name, so add like this. So column name will come on top. For example, sky column. So under sky column, member name will come. If sky column 5 members, so 5 will come. Then another column name, then members will come. So like this. Like see 9B, then its students will come. Then 9C, then its student will come. Then 9F, its student will come. So grade 9 is the group. Here column name is the group. But in this paper we don't want grouping. Okay, so we will go back. So column name, select this, go next. So we want like this. Do you want to view like this? Yes. And do you want any grouping? No. We will say next. We will not select any from here. So next. And here they said, do you want to sort records? Yes. It is mentioned in the paper, sort results in ascending order of L name within ascending order of column name. So it means we will sort on multiple fields, F name, then sort in column name, ascending order both. Okay, so we will check L name within ascending order of column name, ascending order mean lowest order, lowest to highest. Okay, customize the column heading to make them easier to understand. Enter task DB4 and candidate number in the page footer of the database report. Now this report is ready. We have sorted this. Next, format like this. Okay, so what should be the title? That is very, very important. So see in task DB3, this one. Karen wants a list of female competitors who were born, who were between the ages of 16 and 21. This is the title. Female competitors who were between the ages of, this is enough. Okay. So make sure title is correct. So give the title here and finish it. See, so female competitors who were born the ages of, so this is a report, we can print it. Okay, when you will give practical in school, then you will print it, but now you will take the screenshot of this and paste. Okay, so this is the report. Now you can open in design view because we want some changes. Okay, for example, first check data is visible. F name, yes. Column name, L name, date is there. Data is visible. But see in the question paper, they say show only these fields and add suitable title. Customize the column heading to make them easier to understand. That is very important. So column headings, this one, F name, L name. Okay, so this is not clear, so we will go in design. This is the heading. Okay, this heading and this detail here, data is coming. Sorry, control D. So just here, just write first name, and here column name, and here last name. Okay, others okay. Now report, this is a report footer, this is a page footer, and this is a report footer. So drag this, make some space. This is a page footer, so we will confirm enter task DB4 in the page footer of the database, not the report footer. Okay, so page footer means if this report I have shown you, if this report is coming on 4 pages, so on 4 pages you have to display task DB4. And report footer means it will display end of the page, only on last page. That is a report footer. So design, go to design view, and look here down, you can make some space. See, so this area is here, so here we can write, but we will not write here, we will write here. So move this, this is automatic page number and this is today's date, and here using this label A. Okay, just write as mentioned in the paper, task DB4 name, ID, center 90005. Okay, so now double click this, see, so task DB4 name, ID, center, this is coming. So what you will do, you will take the screenshot of this and paste in the Word file. Okay, so this is the complete solution of task DB4. So we have completed database activity, all activities we have done. Okay.